Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to write the Bessel function in Mathematica. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to plot the Bessel function or use it in some sort of intensity plot, or some simulations. So I'll be showing you how to write the Bessel function in Mathematica today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. I've just zoomed in a bit so the code is easier to see. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to type Bessel J. This is the first that pops up. This is the Bessel function of the first kind. And inside here, what you're going to do is you're going to type the first input is going to be the order of the Bessel function that you want to write. So I'm just going to make it 0th order. And the second input will be the variable that the Bessel function is a function of in this case. So that's basically how you write the Bessel function. Now let's just plot this to see. So I'm just going to give it a range, and if I run that, as you can see, I get a Bessel function. Doesn't really look like a Bessel function due to the range, so let's increase it. As you can see, that is the Bessel function of the 0th order of the first kind. So that is basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to write the Bessel function in Mathematica, this is the easiest way I know how. And if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.